furniture maker in a shop, they don't get to see, they don't necessarily go out to all of the sites. A lot of different shops, they'll have one guy that goes out, or they deal with the designers who's designing like the whole space. But being able to go into the space as the creator, it really gives a whole nother level of inspiration. You're able to see and visualize everything a lot easier.
This is our spot.
Wow. Yeah, it is gorgeous. Beautiful view.
Yeah, and what I was
great.
thinking is, you know, we'd like to fit 8 to 10 people.
Yes.
But we don't want too long either.
Yeah. So, you know, when you get into the space, it's a totally different, you're able to visualize everything. And that's why we brought a couple samples too, so we can kind of make that process a little easier. Different finishes and different colors, and just able to kind of match it up with what you do have going on so far, like with the flooring. But yeah, I think this is great. It's going to be an awesome space to entertain, and great for family as well.
This is the, I don't know if you guys know these guys yet. They're a new company out of Moncton.
Yep.
All sustainable source, local source concrete.
Yeah, it's great.
And so this is going to be the bar color.
Okay.
Over there. And then I'm pretty sure our countertops are going to be this kind of raw gray.
Yes, that's very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like anything, like first of all, I absolutely love this one. So this is like top of mind for me right now.
Yeah, that's usually the consensus.
But going through and looking at the type of flooring that you are going to have, and what is the color of the walls going to be?
White.
They're just going to be white? Okay. So a couple of the styles, the colors, the finishes. We have a white oak with a pure finish. We have a mahogany with a pure finish. Just thinking about how much you and your family love the water, I think going with a maple, kind of resembling the sand, kind of bringing the outdoors, the beach inside, with the dark flooring, would be awesome, especially with the gray countertops and that. So what would be cool, and this is something we can talk about design-wise, if we were to do an epoxy or a river table of some sort, by bringing in, having almost like a lighter, like a light blue color in the center, and you could put seashells in there. You could have waves crashing. It could be something, a statement piece like that, or it could just be something simple as a maple top. Yeah. So the finish is it's a premium finish. It's called Rubio Monocoat, and it was created in Belgium. And it was originally created for hardwood flooring, but then furniture makers got a hold of it. I'm all for Rubio Monocoat. I'm a huge ambassador of them. I just love them. I love the design aspect of building furniture, and being able to come out to your space, it was just awesome. Super inspirational, being next to the water, bringing nature in, that's just, it's heartwarming. And to me, that's what this is all about, is that feeling that you get when you walk into a space and you can visualize, and you can really see an end result that just amazes you. And that's where my passion really comes from, is being able to see in my mind what it's going to look like in the end, and then standing back at the end of it and being my hands created that. So it's super exciting, and having an awesome space like that, blank slate, it's a furniture maker's dream.